Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal, Haryana. Today we are going to learn about the classification of data structure. So what are the classification of data structure? First one is primitive data structures. These are the data structure which are the fundamental data types which are supported by a programming language. For example, integer, character, float, double, and pointer. These are the primitive data structures that can hold a single value. Then what are non-primitive data structures? They can store collection or sets of data including arrays, lists, or more sophisticated structures like trees and graphs. The non-primitive data structures are also divided into two types, that are linear data structure and non-linear data structure. So, as this diagram suggests, like data structures, then it is divided into two data structures, that is primitive data structure and non-primitive data structures. So in the non-primitive data structures also we have like linear and non-linear data structure. So let's move on. In the linear data structure, the arrangement of the data in a linear or sequential manner is also known as linear data structure. Linear data structures used for this purpose are arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. In these data structures, one element is connected to only one another element in a form of linear way. It can be classified as static data structures and dynamic data structures. So in the static data structure, it is a type of data structure where the size is allocated by at the compile time. Therefore, the maximum size is fixed. In the dynamic data structures, it is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the runtime. Therefore, the maximum size is quite flexible. Non-linear data structure, these data structures in a random or non-sequential way, arranged in many to one, one to many, or many to many dimensions. For example, trees and graph, like this. So if you like our information, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for your precious time.